Hey superstars, happy December! It's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for December 2020 in all 6 astrology dimensions. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the US and in 40 countries worldwide to understand how to use their personal right timing to help them achieve love and success. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new videos debut. In the general stars, December 2020 has a great first half and a not great second half. Remember that these general cycles impact everyone, but your most powerful influences at any time are your personal cycles, so always check those too. There's a long run of worst days in late December on top of our other holiday concerns this year. Hanukkah is over before these unfavorable days begin, but unfortunately these days include Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Kwanzaa, and New Year's Eve. Some of the nastiness in the sky during these days involves a Mars-Saturn contralatitude in Helio, midpoint on Earth, peaking right on Christmas Day. Along with the other issues around celebrating holidays during a global pandemic, this can create aggression, impatience, frustration, discord, and feelings of being trapped. It also increases the risk of physical accidents via travel or just from carving the entree. Because this awful peak is parallel Earth, it affects everyone on Earth. Best advice is prepare early, allow plenty of time, stay on neutral topics at conversation, be kind, don't take anything personally, breathe deeply, and much as I hate to say this, keep your expectations for this holiday season on the low side. Later during this disgusting run of days, we get some really fun stuff. One example being Sedna Xanthus Chiron Yod. Chiron, ruler of love, soulmates, and career, is being hit by multiple Saturnian points during these days. Just a parting gift from no one's favorite year. The first pair of best days in December includes Earth in geometry with Mercury and Pallas, making these good days for thinking and strategizing if your personal stars agree. And the Chiron geometries in both Helio and Geo 12 make these good days for love. The second run of best days in December falls during Hanukkah and are good for both love and money if your own cycles are equally supportive. Sun and Earth are in powerful fortresses, the Sun in Geo 7 and Earth in Helio 12. The third run of best days includes Sun-Odin geometry in Geo Zodiac 7 and an Earth-Neptune-Pluto wedge in Helio 7. These days could also be quite good for you if your own cycles are positive. To see the specific best and worst days for love and best and worst days for money, please click on the link below. Timing is everything. To really use the stars to improve your odds of love and success, you have to always add your own personal cycles into these best and worst days too. DIY info on that and a coupon are below. Click Show More. If you like this video, please click like. Thank you. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on how to get your personal best and worst timing, how to understand your relationships, and more. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. 2020 has been a very difficult year. During stressful times, we need to make the most of the good to help balance out the bad. We need to do more self-care. We need to work harder to stay inspired. Count your blessings daily. If it doesn't work, try twice a day. Seek out inspiration from people, art, books, music, and the internet. If something is disturbing to you, avoid it. Do everything you can to keep a positive attitude. This too shall pass. Prayer is one of the best ways to stay in the realm of light. Pray for your loved ones, your town, your state or province, your country. Pray for the world. Pray for planet Earth. Pray for your friends. Pray for your enemies. I love you, and I pray for you every day. I send you all blessings every day. I really do. It's part of my dharma in the world. Be safe. Stay safe. Be well. We will get through this. I wish you a divine December and a new year filled with magic.